Hi friends! This crayon is green. Let's see what's inside. Oh look! It's a green celery stick. Celery is crunchy and makes a great snack. Let's see what else is in this green crayon. It's a green grasshopper. Grasshoppers can jump very high. They have long legs. Let's see what comes out next. Oh look, it's a green frog. Frogs make a ribbit sound. They have strong legs for jumping. Let's see what's next. It's a green tree with decorations. Do you see the star on top? Very festive. Let's see what comes out next. It's a bunch of green grapes. These grapes are round and light green. What else is inside our green crayon? I see leaves. It's a green vine. This vine is long and has tiny leaves. Vines grow along fences and trees. Any more? No, our green crayon is empty. We found so many green surprises. Which green did you like?